As many of you know, the Tokyo Marui MK23 is my choice of sidearm in most of my videos, and for that reason, it's the first weapon I'm going to be reviewing in Airsoft: A Closer Look. First off, some quick notes. 1, you will get a fancy carrying case, but 2, you will not have a fancy painted gun. It does, however, come with a fancy undermounted flashlight that you're not going to use if you want it to fit in any type of holster, but it is kind of cool because you have a momentary on switch, or you can just leave it on with a switch to the left. It also has a slide that will cock the pistol, but is not blowback, so you don't waste gas on that. It also has enough space in the breech that you can shove your finger in there even with gloves on to remove stuck BBs. Cleaning this pistol is as easy as it comes, with only one screw to be removed to get to many of the big parts that need cleaning regularly. And for those parents out there worried about safety, this one is the as good as they come for safety, because it has a double stage safety, number 1 right there, and number 2 right up there when you cock the gun, so you can't pull the trigger. You can also have both safeties on for extra safety. But let's be honest, if you're buying this pistol, you're only buying it for one reason. That's because it will be the quietest pistol out on the field. Although the silence of this gun is its main point, its accuracy is quite incredible as well. That being said, there are some drawbacks to this gun. Number 1, it's quite thick. It feels uncomfortable to hold in your hand for long periods of time. And number 2, it's quite plasticky. Many of the internals feel like they would break after a long period of time. I've had no problems, but I just don't trust them. And finally, the biggest problem that I have with this pistol comes hand in hand with a feature that I love. With this gun, you're able to pull the trigger back normally, or cock the gun, as well as pull a half trigger pull to have the gun cocked. What this does is gives it a very sort of plasticky trigger pull feeling to the gun when you want to just completely shoot it semi-automatic. But once again, it gives you that hair trigger pull that you like when you want to sneak up behind someone and have a shot that you know is going to go off. With all that being said, the benefits outweigh the negatives by far, and I don't see this pistol leaving my side anytime soon. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this first episode of Airsoft: A Closer Look. If you have anything you'd like me to review, leave it in the comments section down below, and I'll see if I can get to it. Otherwise, we'll see you guys on the next episode of Airsoft Scope Cam or Airsoft TTT. That was almost it for the camera. Okay.